How to use TikTok shared feed feature. Want to watch TikTok videos together with friends? Here's how to use the new shared feed feature. So first, go ahead and open up TikTok and then head over into the inbox. So once you're on your inbox, go ahead and open a chat with a person you want to share a feed with. So go ahead and select that person's name from here, and then once you're on the conversation, go ahead and swipe along the chat option, select shared feed, then tap send invite, and your friend must accept to start. Once accepted, TikTok generates 15 videos per day based on both interests. These appear directly in your private chat. You can like, comment, favorite, and react instantly. Shared feed also shows mutual likes history so you can see what you both enjoyed. Either person can leave the shared feed anytime, and once left, TikTok stops generating daily videos.